Thank you for buying this 15252 combination locker from FixtureDisplays. This comes with a charging cable. One cable goes to the wall, and each slot have female USB A-type connectors. This works with the US 110 volts 3-prong plug, and these are the detailed dimensions. One of the lockers in the center bottom houses the USB hub. It's still usable, but mostly meant for the administrator, teacher, or someone who manage the locker. You can still put the small item in there, but there's not a lot of space as the other lockers do. And this is the female USB cable. Now the red indicates a lock position. The default code is 0000. And this is in change position. At that position, you can change the code, provided you are in the default position or you have the password. Once that is changed, you can start lock. You scramble that. It wouldn't open until you put the code back what you have just set. Which is 0202. Now it opens. So it's very straightforward. If you have any questions after watching this video, feel free to email us. Our email address is cs.charliesam@FixtureDisplays.com. In the event the user forgot the password, administration can use this key to find that code. The key would not open, but only find that code. And then you can open the locker after you find that code. But before you do that, you have to remove the key. But turn the key lock position back, then remove the key. Now you can open it. And you can change to another number, which you will hopefully not forget. In addition to this particular version, we also have cam lock version, as well as computer-controlled keyless access controlled units. We also developed lockers that have touch screen and allow charging based on time preset by the administrator. So you can use this system to manage letterboxes, package receiving retrieval boxes, and even larger ad articles. Our email address is cs@FixtureDisplays.com. Thank you once again for shopping Fixture Displays.